I used to think that managing high cortisol was complicated until I learned this. The easiest way to manage your cortisol levels is to expose yourself to sunlight right after waking up. The first light of a sunrise is best because it contains more long wavelength light. This sets your circadian rhythm, and the way it reduces overall cortisol levels is by spiking them in the morning so that they are lower at night, leading to deeper, restful sleep. Contrary to what you've been told, pairing this with moderate to high intensity exercise heightens this effect. This is because of hormetic adaptation, where the brain learns that it can handle physiological stress, leading to lower baseline cortisol levels. But this is the catch. You need to pair it with adequate rest and ideally sync it to your hormonal cycle. Now, if you want to know exactly the amount of time you need to be outside for, according to how cloudy it is outside or what time you wake up, read the caption below and I'll give you all the specifics. Follow for more knowledge on how to reclaim your biology by mastering your nervous system.